Hello everyone. This morning I woke up bright and early. I've decided to come on a walk. It snowed here last night and it snowed all day yesterday. I know I've been saying throughout the whole of January how much I despise the snow and how much I just want it to go away, but it's beautiful and I'm so excited to walk in it today. For the rest of the day I'm gonna grab a coffee. I'm craving a coffee right now. I just need something hot. I will show you the sights and what I'll be getting up to today. Hello. Just got back in. I've cooked some food, some spaghetti, vegan balls and mushrooms with some spinach on top, tomato sauce, and I can't wait to eat that. I am absolutely starving. The walk was lovely, it was really fresh outside and it really cleared my head, so now it's time to put some fuel into my body. I am snug as a bug. Today was a lovely day. I needed the walk, I needed to clear my head. I'm always walking, as you see in my videos. I have my Ben & Jerry's here, Save Our Swirls. Ready for a new day tomorrow. Look how deserted the station is. Morning, today I am on my way to work. I will be shooting some content. It is raining today. I've got these bags that I need to carry because I can't pack. I swear this bucket hat and this jacket of mine is my favourite combo. I seem to wear it all the time. Certainly bringing the colour. Come to the toilet. I've had to take my stuff with me. Oh no, we've had a bit of an accident. Deary me. Just cooking my lunch. How cute is this kitchen? Lunchtime. It's time to get changed. Not very colourful, am I? Going to be having some fun today. This pinata. Oh, look at the udder. In the first outfit.
I don't say meow. Bitch, I'm a cow. Bitch, I'm a cow.
Yep, I'm going to be wearing this. In these cow print Mary Janes. They are women's. They are a women's size 11. I'm a size 10. Time to do my makeup in a cow suit. I'm ready. Mootiful. Bah. I am now a chicken. The last vid, and yes, I'm going to be looking slightly different.
Why do I kind of love that?
It's a wrap, and now it's time to take this makeup off. I've had an amazing day shooting and very different looks, animals and this e-boy look. Very different for me, but I've enjoyed it. Gorgeous. The camera might be a bit shaky now, can you hear my suitcase? I'm just walking back now, it's time to go home and unwind. Oh, I need to unpack all of this too. And I'll be back here next week, getting up to some more fun. Yeah. I am going to do a face mask. My skin is in need of a face mask right now. Got my face mask on. It's a glittery one. Can you see the glitter? Don't ask why I'm sat on the floor. I just ended up sitting down on here. Now I'm just gonna unwind. Got my face mask on. 3 volcanoes, not spots. 3 red volcanoes have appeared on my forehead. It hurts when I smile. Obviously you can't see them because the face mask is covering them. So yeah, they are huge. I can't wait for them to disappear. I'm going to watch It's a Sin. Everyone has been speaking about it. It's going to be an emotional one. So yeah, I'm going to watch that. Oh, it's hurting. It feels like I've had Botox. Oh. It's time to peel it off. Oh. Oh yes, I feel free again. Don't know why I'm exhaling like that. It's not that dramatic. Ugh. Don't need to see the volcanoes. I went to Holland and Barrett today to get some vegan multivitamins, and I've always wanted to try this chocolate, and it was reduced. I can't justify spending over £2 on it, but I could justify spending £1.09 on it. I'm excited to try this vegan white chocolate. Here we go.